I like seeing my friends on dialysis. I will miss them if I have a treatment at home.
Yeah, so that again, a really common thing that people say is, I don't want to go home, because they have been seeing them very often, kind of 3 days a week, sometimes for years. But what I would say with that is, it'll give you the opportunity to be able to socialise outside of the hospital, and you can keep in touch with people outside of the hospital in possibly what would be a more appropriate setting to kind of socialise and go and see friends, go and see family. And whilst you may not see some of the people that you saw in dialysis, hopefully it'll give you a greater access to a wider support network of people.
Many people worry about losing friendships when they go home to dialyse, but there are many ways to keep old friendships and get new friendships while you're dialysing at home through your renal team, through charities and support groups. So what I'd advise is speak to your renal team.